Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Rise of the Running slow motion graphics. You know, the character is slow motion when you are playing the game and the character going so slow. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. So first of all guys, before you do that, so first of all check your graphics driver. You should make sure it's up to date, okay? After that, turn on the game. So I already turned the game, okay? So first of all, let me show you guys graphics. Look, the movement is very slow, right? You can see right now, very slow. It's very annoying when you're playing the game, right? Look, it's very slow. So how to fix that? I'm gonna show you that. Just follow me, okay? So go to the settings system and go to the visual setting and come here, and as you can see the FPS, you just make it to 60, okay? And just lock it. Then scroll down a little bit and you have to do this setting, okay? This one. Then go a little bit down. You have to put this on DLSS, okay? If you don't have NVIDIA card, so you have to go for FSR. If you have NVIDIA, like AMD card, sorry. If you have AMD card, then go for this. If you have NVIDIA card, go for DLSS. Then come a little bit down, then see this is the quality, and this one off, and this is the settings as you can see right now. You just copy this, all the settings, okay? Standard on high, okay? And you have to turn on this all. So I recommend to follow this setting, okay? And sure, turn off motion blur setting as well. So after that you change the settings, then go back to the game and see it's worked fine. That's it. Look, it's working very fine. You can play now the game on this settings, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.